This kit comes with a mag lock, an exit button, a wireless receiver, 2 remotes, 2 power supplies, and a piezo alert buzzer. We have kits for out-swinging doors and in-swinging doors, and with 3 different electromagnetic locks weight, 300 pounds, 600 pounds, and 1,200 pounds. These wireless remote buzz-in kits are for commercial applications. We recommend using them for projects like gyms, commercial, industrial, hospitality, retail, hospitals, schools, churches, jewelries, gas stations, etc. This is the installation diagram for this kit. You can find it physically in the package and on the FPC Security website. You may also install the mag lock on almost any type of door, being metal, wood, glass, and others. The mag lock is installed beneath the top of the door frame, and the armature plate is installed on the door to make sure the door remains closed and locked. An electromagnetic lock only needs to be rated for the strength of the door it holds. The door and frame need to be strong enough to be able to utilize the locking force that's available from our mag locks, 300, 600, or 1,200 pounds. We recommend a 300 to 600 pounds holding force for interior doors and a holding force of 1,200 or more for higher security, such as exterior doors or interior computer room doors. The LED light on the mag lock helps you identify when the mag lock is locked and unlocked. When the light is red, the mag lock is unlocked. When the light is green, the mag lock is locked. Take advantage of our new and improved LED sensor light, wider and brighter. All of our indoor mag locks come with a contact sensor wire that you can use to connect to a door sensor. This product has a 3-year warranty. The Visionist 7000 is a standard-size push-to-exit button. Being one of the most popular exit buttons, it can be used in residential, commercial, and industrial areas for all different types of applications. With the illuminated backlight and stainless steel plate, it gives the exit button that much more of a presence and professional look. This exit button is for indoor use only and can be used for multiple access control applications and DIY projects. This product has a 3-year warranty. The model VIS 8004 is a 1-channel 315 MHz RF receiver supplied with antenna, and the VIS 8005 is a 1-channel remote, and both are commonly used for opening doors, garage doors, and gates. You just press the button on the remote control and the door will unlock. This product has a 3-year warranty. The VIS BZ100 Piezo Alert Buzzer for access control can be used to alert a person when access is granted through a door or gate. It has a small size and low power consumption. Here, listen to the sound made by the buzzer. This product has a 3-year warranty. This kit does not include any type of entry device such as keypad/reader for entry. In this kit, you will be able to unlock the door by the exit button and from the remotes that come included in the kit. Get your wireless remote buzz-in kit here. www.fpc-security.com/buzzin-kits.